This is what I have to sleep next to. That's why I don't get no sleep. Look at it. It's disgusting. Shut up. God's sake.